Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how I designed plan covers with AI for passive income 2025 step by step for beginners. So guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get into it. How can you actually go about designing a plan cover for yourself and for also sales as passive income? All right, so your first step would be to open up your browser. And once you've opened up your browser, simply log into canva.com. Um, Make sure you're on canva.com. And if you're on Canva, just simply head over to the login page at the bottom of your screen or wherever the login option is and simply log in. Now, if you do not have an account on Canva, you could also make use of the sign up option to simply sign up for Canva and stuff. All right, so just go ahead and open up Canva, sign up or log in, and we can get started with creating your planner design. All right, so now your first step would be to head over to where we have create. So click on create here at the top left, click on create, and you can see the option to create an ebook cover, Instagram story, a document. If you keep on clicking, you can see logos, Instagram posts, and things of that nature. But I'm just going to be going with a custom size. So go ahead and click on custom size. And then where we have width, height, and units, in width, we're going to be going with this width, height, and unit being the 1080, 1350. And then go ahead and just click on create new design, or you could use the suggested post. So I'm just going to go ahead and use one of their suggested designs. And this is what it's going to look like. All right, so this is beautiful. Now, the next step we're going to be taking is we're going to be using Canva AI to generate a background first, seeing as we're trying to create a planner. So we're going to use Canva AI to generate a background. So all you need to do is at the top left, go ahead and click on design and then simply scroll till you find Magic Media. So click on Magic Media here. So once you've selected Magic Media, where we have images, graphics, and videos, just go ahead and select images and describe what you'd like to create. So you could just tell it to create a unique background by just simply typing in a prompt like a floral watercolor pattern or soft pastel colors or minimalist abstract art in warm tones. So you could use any of these prompts. So once you've typed it in, just go ahead and click on generate images. So it's gonna go ahead and generate this image. So while it's doing that, I'm going to explain a bit about Canva. So Canva is an AI tool that you could simply use to accomplish tasks like this. As you can see here, we now have some water patterns we can use in our cover design. So just go ahead and select this and it's going to apply this to your canvas. So increase its dimensions by dragging it across your screen. Just go ahead and drag it across your screen. All right, guys. So once you've been able to actually place the generated media or image onto your Canva, you can now, here's the cool thing, since it's AI generated, that means you can actually edit the elements inside of this. I think as much as you can move around the image on your Canva, you can also just change the color. I believe that's the only cool thing we can do for now. You could see here, I moved this color over to crimson red and it has its effects on the screen. As you can see here, the effects on the screen are shown as well. We can now move this back to blue and boom, we have something like this. All right, so now with our cover art generated, all we need to do is simply click on the image, move over from Magic Media and head over to where we have text. So we're going to be adding a body of text. You could use Magic Write, which is basically giving an AI or giving the Canva AI a prompt, and it's now going to write something for you. So let's just go ahead and add a text box. I feel that's what we're going to be using. So this is our text box, and you can now use Magic Write to simply edit this text box. So go ahead and enter in something like a stylish My 2025 planner or daily wellness planner. You could use something like this for your text. And then I'll show you how to do this. So just go ahead and enter a text. All right, so now we've entered the body of text, and now when you click on more, you can simply duplicate this as many times as you want to kind of like form a unique background of sorts. You can, put it around your entire design. So it kind of looks something like this. And now what you can do is you can also edit the size of your text. So it's set to Canvas Sans. So you can now change this font into something you're more accustomed to. So let's click on display here and let's go with something that's really catchy. All right, so all text have also, and you can use the change all text option. So when you select a font, you can just click on change all, and all your fonts would look like this. Now you can also increase their size, till they're all the same size. So 36 for all. Okay, let's go with 35 for this, and 34 for this. And now you can also change the text color to highlight kind of like your goals and things like that. Once you're actually done preparing your design, I forgot to mention you can head over to Elements and simply search for Elements, or you can use the AI image generator at the bottom of this search to simply generate an AI image instead of going through the process of doing this yourself. You could also search for elements like circle, muscles, picture frames, to kind of make your design unique. Now, what you need to do to save your design is click on Share. So where we have click on Share, go ahead and click on Download. So click on the Download option, and it's suggested to PNG. So you could simply move this over to PDF print. PDF print or high quality PNG gives you some of the best chances of your work being in the best quality. So you could go with PDF print or PNG. I'm just going to go with the default being PNG and then click on download. So while it's downloading, I'm going to tell you a few things about making money passively. You could make money off of Shopify, Etsy. We have Amazon, KDP. We also have some other platforms that make use of these, that allow users to create accounts and sell passively. So I'm just going to talk and show briefly on Etsy. So once your design is ready, just head over to where we have Etsy. And once you're on Etsy.com, go ahead and create an account. One of our videos has that. So you can go ahead and watch our video on how you can create an Etsy account. But please create an account on Etsy. Once you've created an account, you can head over to your shop and simply list this product that you've downloaded. You could simply list it all the way from Canva, just download it and upload onto Etsy, and you can list it as your product. And that's how you can make your passive income. So once it's listed, people will search and people would pay to buy your stuff and you earn passively. So you only need to design once, but your sales would speak the rest of the passive way. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.